Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2019, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot with this device. So there's actually two different ways of doing it, but we're gonna start off by actually finding the content that we wish to capture, which as an example I'm gonna do this page right here. So all you need to do is just have it open and visible on your screen, and from there to capture that, hold power key and volume down. It will have that sound and this should appear. So from here you can either save it or remove it, edit it, share it, whatever you want, all those kind of shortcuts. But simply I'm gonna tap on save right now. So this is one way of doing it, and then there is another way that you can enable just for a quicker way of capturing a screenshot. But we first, like I said, need to enable it. So let's go into the Moto app right here. Tap on the three bars, go into Moto Actions. And here you should have 3-finger screenshot, so enable this, turn it on. Fine, okay, so we need to hold it. So yeah, turn it on, there we go. So once you turn it on, what you want to do is just 3 fingers, press it to the screen, and it does this. And again, tap on save, the same premise. And now both of those screenshots can be found in our photo app. So let's go into albums and screenshots, and there we go. As you can see, there are the 2 screenshots that I have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.